iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's unbox this. Alright guys, welcome back. So what I have here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the 256GB version. The new color, which is this, I think they're calling it the midnight green, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, midnight green. I don't know if you can see it. Bang, right there, midnight green. So let's unbox this. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this color or not. I'm debating between this one and the space gray. So let me know in the comment section down below if what you think about this color. And this is going to be a quick and dirty unboxing. I'm going to be doing a separate video on this where I'm going to be doing a full setup of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I'm going to explain to you what the different things are in the setup. So let's quickly unbox this. So I'm pretty excited for this phone, and I'm going to be making a separate Instagram account where I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures using this phone and seeing how great the camera is from what I've been reading and viewing on YouTube and stuff. So I'm going to actually put this camera to the test with the camera that I'm recording on right now, this one right here, which is the A7 III, and we'll do a couple of tests with that one, and then when the OnePlus 7T comes out, we'll do with that, and Google Pixels, so on and so forth. So we're going to quickly just pop it off like that, and then here it is, the midnight green color. First impressions, it looks a little bit like army green, I would say, not so much as midnight green. This one back here, it's decent when it comes to the, you know, the grip of the phone, but I wouldn't say it's like too grippy, but definitely recommend a couple of cases. So I do have a couple of cases ready for this, and the videos are being recorded as by the time you're watching this, so I'll be pushing those out as soon as possible. Let's start off with the new things on this phone. We'll have to go to the camera. 3 new cameras: ultra wide, wide, and telephoto lens. And then another big thing, which was apparently a huge controversy. A lot of people, you know, there was a backlash for Apple, which I don't understand why. They actually moved the logo, I think it was like a little bit up higher, so just moved it down. So logo is up here, nothing at the bottom. There's nothing that says iPhone, nothing that says Design in California, nothing at all. Huge change. I personally like this of the phone. It's more subtle, minimalistic look. It doesn't say what the phone is. Just that logo by itself should explain that, hey, it's an iPhone, and the size of itself should say that, hey, it's an iPhone Pro Max. No plastic at the back. I don't like that with my iPhone 11X. I actually left the plastic on for close to 1.5 years, so I didn't have to take it off, and I just popped my case on top and it was good to go. So you have your SIM card tray up here, and then your Siri button. And then on the left side, what you have is the classical, the mute button for the iPhone's volume up and down. At the bottom, you'll get your one port, which is still the Lightning port. I'm going to be doing a video on the Lightning port itself. We haven't gone USB-C yet, but we're transitioning into it. I'll show you in the box in a second. Nothing else at the bottom. You get your case. You get your USB-C to Lightning cables. You get your earpods, your manual, which contains your, you know, your usual suspects of those 2 stickers. You get the pin to eject your SIM card out. Okay, and then last but not least, the most important part, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Really excited about this phone. I'm going to be doing a couple of videos on this, so definitely, if you haven't done so already, subscribe. You don't want to miss out on these videos. There's going to be a lot of collaborations, as well as photo examples, video examples. I might even do a tutorial on how to take some awesome shots using an iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you have been part of my channel for quite some time, first of all, thank you. I really appreciate your subscriptions, and they actually do help out the channel a lot. But in the beginning until very recently, I've been actually recording all my videos on my iPhone X. So the cameras coming out of the iPhone are extremely powerful, and I can't wait to see how good these cameras are out of this one right here. So once again, thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing a full setup video of this phone after this video, so if you haven't done so, check that out. It's going to be coming out soon. And if you haven't done so, subscribe. Share this with somebody who wants a quick, dirty rundown of what's coming out of the box, quick unboxing of this, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this color. I know there's a light up here which kind of makes it look green when it's over here, but it's almost like I would say like a army green, not so much of a midnight green, but can't wait to test this out. And even the sides are stainless steel green, so it's not like a stainless steel like light color. It's actually a green color for this one. So as always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.